So, we've had our first few classes. Unfortunately, I was sick for some of them. And we should be making sound with our mouthpiece, the head joint just by itself. You should be able to make a sound with the edge covered. You should be able to make a sound with the edge not covered. You should be able to do both of those with your left hand holding it instead of your right hand as well. So, you can do that consistently and hit the sweet spot pretty much 90%, 80% of the time. You're ready to start putting the instrument together. Now, we didn't get to cover this in class because we had picture day today and it was kind of rushed. Let me show you what you're going to do. Whenever you're putting together a flute, whenever you touch any of the keys when you're putting it together, you need to make sure it's closed all the way. So when I put my hand over here and touch this key right here, I need to close it with my hand. That way it doesn't wiggle around and hurt itself. After that, you take it, and just connect right there. We're only going to connect the head joint and the body of the flute. We are not going to connect the foot joint right now. We don't need it except for on lower notes, and it just adds more weight. So we don't need to have it right now. We'll just make it uncomfortable. So leave this in the case for right now. Now, when you have it together, I need you to line up the tone hole with the keys of the flute. Now, there's a few on the back, just a few of them. Don't line them up with the back, line them up with the keys in the front. So when you see it, it should look just like this, where you've got the tone hole lined up pretty much with the keys, okay? Now, what you're going to try to do is just hold it up, both hands over to your right hand side, and just try to make a sound with it. You'll probably find that you can't do this quick, so go ahead and practice it. Same way that you would on the head joint, just mess around with it a bit. After that, we're going to go ahead and learn a few notes, okay?